channel. I am so excited. This is the first video that I am posting post Vlogmas, and I am so excited to be back. I literally was gonna take a week off and I just couldn't do it because I missed picking up my camera, and today something really exciting is happening that I simply was like, I have to vlog this. So as you guys can see from the title, I am going to look into apartments today for next year. If you guys didn't watch my college announcement video, I am transferring from Ole Miss to Mizzou this coming spring, but I'm going in person this coming fall, so I'm starting to look at places to move into this fall. And I was already going to go down to Columbia today because my sister is moving back. She's been home for like a week and a half for Christmas, and she wants to move some stuff around, put some like needs help getting like Christmas presents into her apartment and taking some stuff out that she doesn't want anymore. And these past few days I've been looking on some different websites about possible apartments for next year and just things that I want to look into that I would possibly be interested in living in. Some are in the building that she is currently in, so I'm going to kind of show you guys her layout of her apartment because it's very similar to some options I may have. I may be able to get in a tour. I don't know if the tours of the places will be something I can show because there may be people living in the units, but I'll definitely show you guys the outside of things, the area. I am interested in a place that is basically downtown Columbia and above a store. It's a little studio apartment, so I'm hoping I can get in a tour of that, but I'm going to at least like walk around downtown, show you guys the different apartment buildings because there may be some downtown that I haven't seen online that I could also be interested in. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys downtown Columbia, different apartments that are down there, and kind of bring you guys along for the journey of my first day of my apartment hunt, which I am just so excited about. I'm so excited to be back out on my own this coming fall and excited to move to a new town. It's gonna be very exciting. I'm also just gonna bring you guys along for my day. If you guys are new to this channel, I do vlogs all the time and I love just showing you guys my everyday life, so I will show you guys just what we're up to, helping my sister out. I'll probably get a workout in tonight. I might do some planning tonight. I have so many fun videos coming. I want to hop into this vlog because I know long intros are something I want to work on getting out, but I feel like I just have a lot to say. So this is today's video, but in the next few days I'm going to have a lot of fun videos planned based around New Year's content. January is one of my favorite months. I feel like such a big part of my channel specifically is about living your best life, finding happiness, and if New Year is a better time than any, or a good a time as any, to start that journey for yourself. And I'm going to make so many videos around those topics this month. I'm going to be posting several times a week, planning on way more than 2 in this coming January month in the new year. I want to have vlogs, I want to have sit down videos, I want to have inspirational content. I have a project that I'm launching this month, and announcement on that is coming super soon, so stay tuned for all of those things. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the vlog. I just wanted to preface this with very fun content's coming. Vlogmas may be over, but I'm going to be uploading like 4+ times a week, or at least that's the plan as of now, and I'll keep you guys updated on how that is looking with school and everything, because I still have a few weeks before school starts. So, and even when that happens, I just turn my content into also showing you guys the school side of being a YouTuber and being me and just my daily life and finding happiness while a student. So many fun things. All right, I'm gonna hop up, show you guys my OOTD, and get the day going because we are about to leave for Como. I live about 2 hours, 1.5 hours from downtown Columbia, which is amazing because I am seriously so excited to have my own place, but also be a short drive away from seeing my parents and seeing, I don't know, I love my childhood home. I have a really close relationship with my parents and my family, so I'm going to be very excited to not have to drive 6 hours to come back home whenever I want. Just honestly all the good things. So all right, let's hop up and give you guys my outfit of the day. All right, sunflowers, so this is my little OOTD. I'm wearing this set from Princess Polly. It has this little cropped sweatshirt, these really cute joggers that are kind of cropped a little bit, and I'm wearing them with my Nike Air Forces. Ignore this mess brought on by yours truly, my little kitty cat, but I'm also wearing this little necklace from Ana Luisa, my favorite jewelry company. Rings are James Avery and Ana Luisa. Oh, and I also think for my little purse today, I'm going to use this little Zaful one. I love little purses. I feel like a little Polly Pocket. Like, how cute is that? I'm obsessed. So yeah, let's go hop in the car and head to our day downtown. I might get some footage around campus because it's gonna be really fun to be back on a college campus next year. And I don't know, there's just, I'm so excited for my videos in the springtime period of growth, and I'm so excited to be back to making college campus content this fall because, you know, I will be in college this spring, but so many fun things happening. All right, let's go. Stopping to get lunch. Okay, all right, sunflowers, so we just got to Columbia. We've been in the car for like an hour and a half. I'm with my mother, and we just parked to eat lunch. We're just gonna eat in the car because Paige was also stopping to get food. She drove separate because she keeps her car up here, obviously, but as always, I got my Taco Bell, got my
chips. And I got my taco.
All right, guys, so we finished eating lunch and we're driving around. It's kind of chilly outside, so I'm kind of looking at different apartments just from the car. There's one that I saw a listing of online that I forget if I prefaced this to you guys, but it basically was a little apartment studio unit above a little store downtown. It's in a really, really good location. So we're kind of driving the street and seeing where the different ones that I saw listed like that are actually located. I know a lot of the apartment names around here, but I kind of had forgotten where they were and stuff, so we're just checking it out. But yeah. All right, so this is one of the streets that I saw options of online for little studio units. It's literally so close to campus. Like, campus is right down this road, so a very good location. So I don't want to tell you guys specifically above which, but you guys can see campus is right there, and then above one of the things over here is one of the units that I'm super interested in. So you guys can see all those little windows above these shops are little apartments that I think is so cute, and it's so close to all these adorable little things. I would feel like a little city girl moment. This is just continuing up the street right now from what you guys just saw. So there's like these little restaurants. It'd be so nice to just walk and get my food next year. Got this cute little taco spot. Field House looks like it's the closest bar in proximity to it, and it's really not close enough that I think the sound would be a big issue for those units. And also has this super cute little street with all these murals. These are all apartment buildings right by downtown too. Literally everything in Columbia low-key seems like it's owned by Brookside, but these are, I think that's another school. That's Columbia College, right?
That's Stevens.
Oh, that's Stevens College. But yeah, these are all cute little apartments with little balconies and stuff, but I don't think that those have 1 bedrooms if I decide to do that. All right, guys, so update time. We made it over to Paige's place. I'm not gonna tell you guys the name of this building, but this is in like my top 2 locations I'm considering because they have a ton of singles here. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys some of the things with the layout because this is definitely on one of the top of my list of places I could live. All right, guys, so I'm in my sister's apartment. We're kind of getting it fixed up. She wanted to like put her Christmas presents away. She's adding this new little crafting desk for a new business she's starting. So I'm not going to show you guys the apartment until we get it a little more cleaned up, but I wanted to kind of show you guys the way the building looked on the inside. So I'm going to kind of show you guys the hallway and the laundry room really quick, just so you guys can kind of see the behind the scenes of what I'm going to be looking at to help me decide where I want to live next year. Also, I texted the owner of this whole building and asked what unit, so maybe I could see like which ones had windows and where they were located to kind of decide like how fast I would need to choose if I want to live here or not. So, but I do love my sister's layout of her apartment and stuff. And I also showed it really deeply in her apartment moving vlog, which I'll put in the cards, but I'll also be showing you guys today because it has changed a lot since then. All right, guys, so this is the little hallway. It's really nice because all the mail just goes right here, and she said it just directly goes here, so I wouldn't have to worry about like my current apartment. I have to go to the desk and I have to go during opening hours, and sometimes I don't know when companies have sent me PR packages and stuff, so just having it there would be great. Here's a little laundry room. So you don't have in-unit washer and dryers at this option, but it has this little room, which I'm actually really pleasantly surprised. I was expecting this to be kind of musty. It's super duper clean. I love the little washers and dryers, and there's actually way more of them than I expected. I was a little worried when my sister at first told me that she didn't have it in unit because that's what I currently have in my Oxford apartment, and I think some of the other places that I was looking at had in unit washer and dryers, but you guys don't know what that means. It basically just means I have my own. But it'd be really nice because if one of these was broken, instead of having to worry about getting a hold of maintenance, I could just use a different one since there's literally like 4 of each, and it's so clean. I'm so pleasantly surprised by this. So honestly, it might be kind of nice not to have to worry about any laundry room situations, maintenance wise, being like my own problem. So this honestly might be a perk to this building. All right, and then exiting the laundry room, this is one of the little hallways. Oops, dropped the keys. But so some units have 2 doors. Like this one has 2 doors. I have access to it, but I heard a lot of the ones on this level are 1 bedrooms. So there's a good chance I would live down here. This is ground level, which I really like. It's very clean. Like the floor is just nice. It smells like a hotel. I'm a fan. Another thing to note that I really like is that they have such easy access to the door to the outside instead of ones that you have to go through like a front area and elevators and all of that. And the stairs are right there if I lived upstairs if I moved here. All right, y'all, so it has been a minute since I've updated. I'm gonna give you a mini tour of what this apartment looks like because the units I'm looking at look very similar to this, and my sister is currently cleaning up, so that'll be happening in the background, but we made a lot of progress with moving her stuff back in. Something I really like about these apartments is the little stairs. I think it's super cute. And this floor is where most of the one bedrooms are. So they probably all have something that's similar to this. I love this little entryway. It came with this, which is really, really nice. This is a super cute shelf that I got for Paige when I worked with Container Store. And then this is what you see when you walk in. So we have the bedroom. The bedroom is a really nice size. It's small, but you live by yourself. So it's like, I mean, the whole place is yours. You don't do much besides sleep in your room. So it's kind of perfect. Also, I love the built-ins. It just gives me less stuff I'd have to purchase for an apartment because shopping for an apartment can get super expensive. Then the hallway outside the bedroom also has built-ins. So again, super nice. I wouldn't have to spend so much money on cabinets. And I like that they're white just because white reflects light well for filming. And it comes with this built-in desk as well, which would be really nice to have a little office area. And they have really, really tall ceilings in here too, which is really, really nice. Walking this way, the bathroom is connected to the bedroom as well. So there's 2 doors, really good size. It came with this mirror and this little cabinet area with, I actually really like this. It's very bright. Again, with the lighting situation, it comes with this built-in. The showers, really, really nice. The bathroom is just super spacious, as you guys can see. I love this little shelf. I might even get one for mine if I chose this building just because it fits perfect there. It's just such a big bathroom for living alone. And then there is this living room, which is super tiny but cozy. Perfect, again, for living by myself. And it would fit my little IKEA couch perfectly with a little workspace for my new Cricut and everything. And she has this really skinny shelf. So I'd probably try to find something like this and paint it for my living room, just something skinny. Because again, as you guys can see, it's not that big, but it's perfect for living by yourself. This is what we moved in here today and what we were working on. My sister's starting a little shop, so she wanted this little crafting area. I think it's really nice to have 2 different desk spaces, and I would probably like to have one for school, one for my business, and it's nice to know that I could fit both. This is a little kitchen that comes with it. Again, super quaint, but perfect, and just feels so, so, so cozy. The units I'm looking at have bigger windows, so these are just her tiny 2 ones that face a wall, but the units that I'm looking at have like 3 big ones that face like the main street. But it comes with this fridge, which is really nice. Honestly, the appliances seem very new to me. And it also has a pull-out freezer. I always associated these growing up with fancy people, so you love to see it. Has that, and then it also comes with all this built-in stuff in the kitchen, which I think is awesome. I love this that she hung up. This was not here when I did the apartment move-in vlog when I helped move my sister in. I think that's a nice little touch. I would need to get something like this for plates because there isn't a lot of storage, but I think we have like a bunch of these in my basement at my house. So yeah, and then we have Miss Ghosty. And if I move into this building, I would actually live in the same hallway as Miss Ghosty, so she would get to see her cousin Stormy all the time. All right, guys, so we are leaving my sister's apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed the little like behind the scenes. I did want to show you that just since I am considering living there. But now we're just doing a little drive through campus before we head home, because I know when I say Mizzou, a lot of you guys don't necessarily know what it looks like. So I wanted to give you guys a little time lapse. So I was just driving around to see where I will be next fall in my videos, so you guys can look forward to that.
Always looks good when you try to fake a smile. Glitter dress makes me feel cute when I'm trying not to cry. I'll take a picture in my bedroom, then post it online. Tag location as LA. I'm living my best life.
Alright guys, so as we've been driving around, I've been taking notes when we pass an apartment place that I hadn't seen listed online, so that way I can go back later and look at which ones of these have different sizes and how many bedrooms they have and things like that. So that's helpful too, because we're just driving around Columbia just as we knew a little road trip. Slacky.
Thanks, Tonic. Gabby, I can help you.
All right, so we just got our food. I got some ranch for my cheddar bites, of course. Got the ocean water. We're sharing ocean water and ice cream. Gonna get a corn dog. What was your thoughts on the ocean water?
It was good.
You're lying.
No, I did. I like it. It's really sweet though. I like it.
All right, sunflowers. So it seems like it's been 1 second to you guys, but it's been about an hour and a half for me. I just got home from Columbia and I just got ready to go to the gym. I'm literally gonna wear the same outfit I was wearing because it's kind of like low-key athleisure. I just threw in a sports bra and I changed my shoes. I'll show you guys. I know the lighting's super bad because the sunset's so early, but I'm wearing my Peak tennis shoes. You guys know my favorite. I switched out of those Nike Air Force Ones over there. But yes, I'm going to go make my pre-workout. And I actually started using a new pre-workout that I actually got for Christmas, and I am obsessed with it. So I'm excited to show you guys. It's Alani Nu and it's my new fave. So yes, let's go show you guys that. So this is the Alani Nu pre-workout in the flavor Rainbow Candy. It literally tastes just like Skittles or something like that. It's so tasty. Actually more like Sweet Tarts, I would say.
1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life. 1,000.
Alright guys, so update. I just got home from the gym in my little puffer because it's cold outside, but I wanted to hop on and end the vlog because the rest of tonight I'm just going to be chilling, probably watch some YouTube, have a little snack. You know, I kind of need to have like a real dinner since I just got the Sonic stuff. My hair is falling out of my bun, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I just wanted to kind of document my first time. It's my first time I've been to Mizzou after deciding that I'm gonna move there, so it was just fun to like purposefully pay attention to what all the buildings looked like and where they were located and make note pages of apartment stuff. But comment down below if you guys want to see apartment hunting vlogs when I start getting tours and things like that later this spring. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon. Tons of content coming, so much New Year's stuff. My cats.
Checking it out. Hi, baby.
I think she has also missed Vlogmas. But yeah, I'll see you lovely sunflowers in my next video.